on this lab, I'm going to show you basic OSPF routing as a demonstration. So the network I have over here has 4 routers, 1 switch. This is a multi-layer switch, but for this demonstration it's going to be a layer 2 switch. There is 2 VLANs, VLAN 10 and 20, and both of them have routers inside them. Between router 2 and 4 there's a link over here that's going to be used to extend the routing. Okay, so all the devices have no configurations. The IP addresses will be configured on all the devices over on the ports displayed over there, and then the routing will be added to. Okay, so starting off with the router 1, 3, then the switch and router 2 and 4. And once the IP addresses are set up, the OSPF routing will be set up. Okay, getting started with router 1. Okay, so configure terminal. Then I want to enter the interface gig 00. Okay, and IP address is 10.1.0.1. Okay, and the mask is 255.255.255.0. This is a 24 mask, and no shut. We're unshutting the port over here, meaning it's active. Okay, so show IP interface brief. Over here you can see gig 00. Over there is configured 10.1.0.1. Okay, and then for routers, let's go over to router 3. Okay, configure terminal interface gig 00, 00, IP address, and that would be a 10.2.0.1. 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shut. So we are turning the port up. Okay. Okay, show IP interface brief. This is what I want. Gig 00 with the IP address 10.2.0.1. 10.2.0.1. Okay. And then for the switch, okay, on the switch there's a little bit more configurations. Enable, configure terminal. So the thing is, I'm going to create 2 VLANs, VLAN 10, name, let's say router 1 and 2. Router 1 and 2. Okay, accept. VLAN 20, name, router 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, exit. So the VLANs are created. Now I need to assign the ports to the VLANs. Okay, so it's interface, let's say range gig 00 to 1. Okay. Switch port access VLAN 10 for gig 00 and gig 01. VLAN 10. Okay. And exit interface range gig 02 to 3. Okay, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, exit and exit again. Show VLAN brief. Okay, so here we can see VLAN 10, which is router 1 and 2, is with gig 00 and gig 01. Okay, and then on VLAN 20 we have gig 02 and gig 03. Okay, so what I also want to do is create the SVI. It's a switch virtual interface. It's basically putting an interface or a host from the switch onto the network, because the switch only moves frames between the ports, okay, but it's not actually a host. You need an IP address which is going to be tied to a host, which is a router or a device like a computer or a telephone. Okay, so to create a SVI, configure terminal, interface VLAN LAN 10, okay, IP address, it's for VLAN 10, 10.1.0.2, 255.255.255 for the /24 network, no shut. So this virtual interface actually needs to be unshut. Now you'll see both the line protocol and the Ethernet protocol is up. Okay, exit, interface VLAN 20, IP address, and this is 10.2.0.2.255.2.255.255.0. Okay, and no shut. Okay, so the virtual interface is being turned on. Okay, exit. Let's see. Show IP interface brief. Okay, so on these ports you will not have an IP address because it's a switch port. But if you disable the switch port, you can make it a rooted port and put an IP address there. Okay, but over here is your physical interfaces or the virtual interfaces to get onto the network. Okay, and both are up. Okay, and show VLAN. And we have the VLANs. Okay, so this is done. Let's say write to disk. So for router 2, this one's not configured yet. Configure terminal. Okay, so there's 2 ports that need to be configured. Okay, interface gig 01, IP address, and this is 10.1.0.3. 255.255.255 for the /24 network. No shut. Exit. Interface gig 00. IP address 10.0.1.1. Okay. 255.255.255.252. This is for your /30 network, which has 2 IP addresses, usable IP addresses, for the point-to-point link over there. Okay, no shut. Okay. Exit. So what we can do is do a quick test between R2 and R1. Okay. For R2, ping 10.1.0.1. The first one over there, that's your ARP. That's why it failed. Okay, so that connectivity is working. Now for router 4. Okay. Configure terminal. 2 interfaces that need to be set up again. Okay, interface gig 00, IP address 10.0.1.2, 255.255.255.252 for the /13 mask. Okay, no shut. Set interface gig 01 IP address 10.2.0.3 255.255.255/0 for the 24 mask. No shut. Okay. Okay, so now router 4 is set up, router 3 is set up. Okay. So on router 3, let's do a ping test. 10.2.0.3. And it's working. Okay. So these two can see each other. Router 3 and 4. These two can see each other. And let's do the test over here. Let's go to router 2 and ping 10.0.1.2. Okay, so these can see each other too. Now the thing is, from here I can't ping this device and I can't ping this device because these devices don't know of the routes. Okay, so to do that, one way to do that is setting up a dynamic routing protocol like OSPF. Okay, so starting on router 1, okay, configure terminal, router, OSPF, and the instance ID is 1, okay, router ID, so router 1, so let's make it 1, then network, let's take the entire branch of the network, so it's 10.0.0.255, oh yes, it's a wild mask, and let's take the entire network, area 0. Okay, for this demonstration I'm going to use area 0 on all the devices. Okay, so over here, so this one is set up. So let's go to router 2, configure terminal, router OSPF, instance 1, router ID on router 2, network 10.0.0.0.255.255.255, area 0. Okay, now you will see adjacency jumping up because these two routers, they learned of each other next to each other. Okay, so then going to router 4, router OSPF 1, router ID, and this is 4, network, specifying the entire range over here of this network, 0, 255.255.255, area 0. Okay, so there should be adjacency. Yeah, it jumped. Okay, so then for router 3, configure terminal, router OSPF 1, then router ID, this is 3, okay, network 10.0.0.0, wildcard mask. Over here I'm capturing the entire network, actually on router 3. Yeah, okay, area 0. Okay, there we go. Now if we go back to router 1 and show IP route. So over here, what you can see is the network 10.2.0 is connected on this interface, port interface. Okay, so if I'm going to do a ping to this device, this router 1 knows it needs to send the ping request through the gig Ethernet 00 port. Okay, ping 10.2.0.1, and it's working. So let's try the SVI on VLAN 20. So that would be 10.2.0.2. It's also working. Okay, and let's try this address over here. Okay, ping 10.0.1.2. It's working. Okay, so this is a small demonstration to set up OSPF. Let me show you the running config. Show running. For router 1, you can see the interface, the IP address over there. Over here is the router OSPF configuration, router ID is there, and this is your network. And basically it will look like this on all the routers. Thank you for watching the demonstration. Goodbye.